up everyone? Welcome to another vlog. It's 4:45. This is what I do. I bring him out to pee or potty in the morning. I'm getting back to the routine of waking up at 4 in the morning. I used to wake up at 4, not vlogged so early. I guess I used to vlog. Not vlog, but I used to do my Instagram stories. But I'm back. Feels great. I hope I can continue this. Before COVID, I used to work out at 4:30 in the gym. So at this time, I was in the gym working out. But of course, there's no gym right now, and it's very dark as you saw outside. So I'll wait for like 5:30. 5:30 is when it starts to lighten up a little bit. And once the light is out, then I'll go and start my running. My goal is to start running first and do some push-ups and do some like body weight exercises before I actually go all in, because I can injure myself since I haven't worked out in 4 months. So goal is to start slow. Do you guys ever do this where the cream is done and then you like fold it to remove the cream? I do that. This is my middle class teaching. If you're wondering what Bruno does in the morning, he plays while I do my morning routine. Alright, come Bruno. Usually eats his breakfast 5:30 to 6 o'clock and somewhere in between. While he has his breakfast, I have my coffee. Maybe I'll start running at 6. Typically what Caitlin would do is Caitlin would clean the dishes in the night. My job is to put all the clean dishes away and put at their places so it's empty again for her to clean dishes. After dishes, it's time for trash. So usually every Tuesday morning, take out your trash from the home, put it out in your garbage bins which are outside. Still very dark. These are the trash bin which I'll put it outside. यहाँ पे रखना होता है. अब दिख रहे हैं सन अभी धीरे धीरे राइज हो रहा है. वो भी 5:30 ही बजे है. Typically Caitlin wakes up at about 6:37. 6:27, starting my run. Sun is just coming up. Start super small, maybe 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers, and then probably reach to 5 kilometers. I want to start running 5 kilometers every day. Okay, it's I don't know if you see it, 6.64 mile, which is roughly about a kilometer. I still have to go another 40.30 miles, which is like a total will be like 1 mile. 5 months back I used to be easily able to run this, but now as I've gained weight to 52 pounds, it's hard. You can see, finished 1 mile, 17 minutes. Out of breath, also shows I'm out of shape. Alright, making some black coffee, get ready for work. I'll take a quick shower while the coffee is getting done. All right, shower done, black coffee done. It's 7:11 right now. The meeting starts at 7:30, and from then until like 1, 2, I'll probably be in the meeting back to back. Sometimes I get break, and when I do get a break, I go live on Instagram and talk to you all. So follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram. Okay, I'll see you guys after my meeting. Making smoothie as my first meal. The way I make my protein shake is banana, one banana, peanut butter, protein powder, 2 scoop of that. It's called Organ and it's organic protein. It's leaf-based protein, and then I use milk. Usually I try to use almond milk, but I don't have almond milk, so I'm gonna just use the regular milk. And also ice. This is how it looks before it's made. Ah, very good. I really miss working out, really miss this protein shake. So glad to be back. 3:30 बज चुका है. I'm eating a banana. I forgot to record when I was eating my lunch. But basically lunch was one bread. I shouldn't be eating bread, I know. सब लोग comment करने वाले हैं. But that's good. Please keep commenting. But I had a bread and a butter, and then I also had a salad. My day at work is almost done. It's 3:30. I have about 30 minutes of work left, so I'll finish that. We had an interview today, software interview, software developer interview. So I want to share my experience with you, kind of tips for how to perform an interview and kind of thought process, because it's an interview committee. Because it's not just me who's interviewing. There's 3 other people who are in interview committee, and how everybody thinks. And typically we do the interview, and then after the interview we do like a follow-up session, a debrief session, and how we kind of talk about the thoughts behind the judgment of the interview. I have to finish the work, so I'll talk about it in about 40 minutes. And Bruno is right here with me. I need to take him out so he can go potty and pee. I've been training him to ring the bell, so that's what he's gonna. Good boy. Okay, since he's in the play mood, I'm gonna play a little bit with him. Bruno, go get it. Bruno, come back. Come on. You have to bring the toy back. हमेशा खेलता है, बस उसको पता था कि मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ, तभी नाटक करना है उसको. What are you laughing at? 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 काम खत्म करते, उसके बाद वार्तालाप करेंगे. बजे है 5:30. व्लॉग जस्ट खत्म किया है. देखो कल का व्लॉग, मतलब आज कल का ब्लॉग एडिट खत्म किया, एक्सपोर्ट कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद यूट्यूब पे अपलोड करूंगा. चलो अब बात करते हैं इंटरव्यू के बारे में. ब्रूनो, लेट्स गो बडी. और ब्रूनो हमेशा मेरे साथ रहता है. गो, लेट्स गो. आज मौसम बड़ा, बारिश हुई थी आज भी. इट वाज सपोज टू बी 41 डिग्रीज, बट बहुत मस्त बारिश होके वेदर एकदम मस्त हो गया है. बैठता हूँ, चेयर लगाता हूँ, फिर बात करते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी डे था. मंडे ट्यूसडे यार है ना, बहुत मीटिंग रहती है. सुबह से 7:30 बजे से लेके एकदम मतलब 4 बजे तक मीटिंग बैक टू बैक. तो टाइम ही नहीं मिलता है. बीच में जो भी टाइम मिलता है वो ब्रूनो के साथ चला जाता है, या फिर मैं ऐसे कुछ खाने में लगा देता हूँ. और उसी वजह से मेरा डाइट का प्रॉब्लम हो चुका है. तो मेरे को बस यही अभी टाइम मैनेजमेंट में एक मील प्रेप भी डालना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि पहले कैसा था, जब ऑफिस जाता था तो आई यूज टू जस्ट प्रेप माई मील, एंड मेरा लंच बॉक्स रेडी रहता था. तो आई यूज टू जस्ट टेक इट, एंड 12 बजे पता ही है कि 12 बजेंगे खाना बनाना है. अब तो क्या है, घर पे बैठे कभी भी बना लेंगे. एंड देन आई एम बैक टू बैक मीटिंग्स होती है, इधर कुछ ना कुछ काम आ जाता है, इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव चले जाता हूँ. एंड उसके बाद अचानक से इतनी तेज़ भूख लगती है कि टाइम नहीं रहता है खाना बनाने का. एंड देन इट्स लाइक ओके, देयर इज नथिंग टू ईट, आई विल जस्ट ईट ब्रेड बटर. देयर इज नथिंग टू ईट, आई विल जस्ट ऑर्डर पिज्जा. देयर इज नथिंग टू, लेट्स जस्ट ऑर्डर आउटसाइड. तो
that is my biggest problem. So I am working on it. Meal prep करूँगा मैं. ये बिरयानी वड़ा पाव ये सब बनाएंगे ना तो उसके भी व्लॉग बनाते हैं अपन. कमेंट करके बताना हम. एक नया प्रॉब्लम हो चुका है कि मैंने 2 यूट्यूब चैनल खोल रखी है. मेरी वाली तो जिस पे आप वीडियो ये वाला देख रहे हो, और ब्रूनो के लिए भी अलग से यूट्यूब चैनल है जो डॉग कंटेंट है. कभी कभी सोचता हूँ कि यार उसको मर्ज कर देता हूँ, एक ही में रखता हूँ सब कुछ, बट देन इट्स लाइक वेरी स्पेसिफिक टू डॉग्स. तो मर्ज करके बताओ यार, कमेंट करके बताओ, शुड आई जस्ट मर्ज इट. चलो अब बात करते हैं इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस के बारे में. देखो मैं ऑब्वियसली आई कांट रिवील ऑल द डिटेल नेम्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, बट यूजुअली टिपिकली क्या होता है ना, पहले 5 मिनट में विद इन फर्स्ट 5 मिनट आई कैन जज द हाउ दिस इंटरव्यू इज गोइंग टू गो, and that first 5 minutes is totally depending on the interviewee. Matlab, if you are going to do the interview, you set the tone of the interview, you set the stage of the interview. If you say really good things in the first 5 minutes, first 5 to 10 minutes, you really impress. Your first impression in the interview is very important. What I mean by that is, whenever the first time your interview starts, like they will never get into like कि बता भाई ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग क्या होता है, पॉइंटर क्या होता है, C# क्या होता है. They will never start the technical question. They will always start with a behavioral question. They will start with like a random, nice people type question कि भाई how is it going, and why do you want to work for us, like why are you switching your job, what are you doing currently, tell us something about yourself. So usually these are the types of questions they'll ask you, and the main one will be tell us something about yourself, and that is where you need to set the stage, that is where you need to set the tone of the interview. Of course you want example because you will be like अच्छा ये सब theory में तो सही है भाई, example बता, real life example बताओ. Okay, tell you. Now let's take an example for software developer. If you feel कि भाई I am not really good with behavioral questions, or I'm not really good with people questions, I'm nervous about that, but technical कुछ भी पूछ लो मेरे को, coding का कुछ भी पूछ लो मेरे को आएगा, then you need to be very specific about when they ask you, tell me about yourself. That's when you need to be very specific about your projects. So they'll say, tell me something about yourself. Sure, as you all know that my name is Pritesh Jagani, but I go by Yudi, YUDI. That's my nickname. It's been since I was 14 years old, and that's what everybody calls me. This is my last semester at Chico State. I'm currently pursuing masters in computer science. I'll be graduating in May 2020, and I'm really excited and looking forward to this opportunity. I do want to mention that I've been working on this open source project, which is very cool, and that's where one of my hobby and kind of passion lies into, is like programming and development. This is an Angular project, but I'd be more than happy to share with you if you would like to. So now here's what I did. I kind of excited them for this and made them curious, like what is this project like. Their immediate next question will be, can you talk about that project? Now that's the catch. Obviously you have to build the stories before the interview, and you already know what you want to talk about, so you are driving that interview. Comment करके बताना अगर ऐसे topics में interest है, how to crack interviews, how to crack technical interviews, how to crack behavioral interviews, how to crack interviews for different positions. अपन many interviews, project management interview, business analyst interview, बहुत सारे interviews किए हैं, तो बताना मेरे को comment में. Caitlin is doing exercise watching YouTube video. Caitlin को देख के ना मैं भी इंस्पायर हो गया, मैं भी पुशअप्स करता हूँ, स्क्वाट्स करता हूँ. उसको देखो मस्त ऐसे एकदम योगा टाइप कर रही है कुछ. तो अपन वीडियो इधर तक ही रखते हैं. बताना कमेंट में कि वीडियो पसंद आया कि नहीं भी आया तो भी बताना, बट कमेंट करके बताना जरूर. ऑल्सो लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन मेक दिस वीडियो रीच 1000 likes and 100 comments. ये गोल है ये वीडियो का. Now I'll enjoy the evening until our next one.
Keep smiling.
Keep hustling. Kara hustle.
Every day.
Single day. Wanna end it, buddy? Yeah.